correct course of action is to replace remodel cans with bulkier insulation contact box units from above the ceiling. Here's why. Insulation contact box units are designed to be in direct contact with insulation, allowing heat to dissipate and preventing condensation. They are typically bulkier than remodel cans because they have a larger junction box and a thermally insulated housing. Remodel cans are not designed to be in direct contact with insulation and can cause condensation when heat builds up inside the can. This is especially true in unventilated areas like attics. While chicken wire can prevent insulation from directly touching remodel cans, it does not address the issue of heat buildup inside the can. Condensation can still occur if the can does not have proper ventilation. While an automatic louver or fan at the vent openings in the attic can improve ventilation, it may not completely eliminate condensation if the remodel cans are not properly insulated. Therefore, replacing remodel cans with insulation contact box units for above the ceiling is the best option to permanently fix the condensation issue. When dealing with electrical installations in your home, understanding the purpose and limitations of different components is crucial. In the case of recessed lighting, specifically lights, the selection of the correct type of fixture for the intended environment is essential to prevent issues like condensation. Remodel lights, also known as non-insulation contact-rated fixtures, are designed for use in areas where they will not come into direct contact with insulation. They typically have a smaller housing and are easier to install in existing ceilings. However, they lack the thermal protection necessary to prevent heat buildup when insulation is present. When remodel cans are installed in ceilings with attic space above, they are often covered with insulation to improve energy efficiency. This can lead to a significant problem. The insulation traps heat generated by the light bulb within the can, causing the fixture to overheat. This heat buildup can then lead to condensation forming inside the can, especially during colder months. The condensation can drip down, causing water stains on the ceiling and potentially damaging the fixture itself. Insulation contact-rated can lights, on the other hand, are specifically designed to be in direct contact with insulation. These fixtures have a larger housing with built-in thermal protection to prevent heat buildup. They also have a sealed junction box to prevent moisture from entering the electrical connections. Replacing remodel cans with insulation contact-rated units is the most effective way to prevent condensation issues in ceilings with attic space above. This is because the insulation contact-rated fixtures can safely dissipate heat even when covered with insulation. This eliminates the risk of heat buildup and condensation formation. While other solutions, such as installing chicken wire or a louver fan, may provide some temporary relief, they do not address the root cause of the problem. Chicken wire can prevent insulation from directly touching the remodel cans, but it does not prevent heat buildup inside the can. A louver fan can improve ventilation in the attic, but it may not be sufficient to eliminate condensation if the cans are not properly insulated. When choosing insulation contact-rated can lights, it is important to select the correct size and type for your specific needs. The size of the fixture will depend on the size of the hole in the ceiling. The type of fixture will depend on the type of light bulb you want to use. There are insulation contact-rated can lights available for incandescent, fluorescent, and light-emitting diode light bulbs. Light-emitting diode bulbs are the most energy-efficient option and produce very little heat, which can further reduce the risk of condensation. When installing insulation contact-rated can lights, it is important to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. Be sure to properly connect the electrical wiring and to secure the fixture to the ceiling joists. It is also important to ensure that the insulation is properly installed around the fixture to maximize energy efficiency and prevent air leaks. In addition to replacing remodel cans with insulation contact-rated units, there are a few other things you can do to prevent condensation issues in your home. Firstly, ensure that your attic is properly ventilated. This will help to remove moisture from the attic and prevent it from condensing on cold surfaces. You can improve attic ventilation by installing additional vents or by using a louver fan. Secondly, seal any air leaks in your ceiling. This will prevent warm, moist air from entering the attic and condensing on cold surfaces. You can seal air leaks by caulking around light fixtures, pipes, and other penetrations in the ceiling. Thirdly, use a dehumidifier in your home. This will help to remove moisture from the air and prevent it from condensing on cold surfaces. A dehumidifier is especially helpful in areas with high humidity. By taking these steps, you can prevent condensation issues in your home and protect your investment. The choice to replace the remodel cans with insulation contact rated units is based on several key factors. Firstly, insulation contact rated fixtures are designed to withstand direct contact with insulation, which is a common scenario in attics. This design inherently prevents heat buildup, a primary cause of condensation. Secondly, remodel cans lack this insulation contact rating, making them susceptible to heat trapping and subsequent condensation, particularly in unventilated spaces. Thirdly, alternative solutions like chicken wire or attic fans only offer partial remedies. Chicken wire may prevent direct insulation contact, but it doesn't address the fundamental issue of heat accumulation. Attic fans can improve ventilation but might not completely eliminate condensation if the light fixtures are not adequately insulated. To elaborate on the importance of insulation contact rating, it's crucial to understand how these fixtures are constructed. Insulation contact rated cans typically have a double-walled housing with an air gap between the inner and outer layers. This air gap acts as an insulator, preventing heat from transferring to the surrounding insulation. The junction box is also sealed to prevent moisture from entering and corroding the electrical connections. Furthermore, insulation contact rated fixtures often have thermal cutoffs that automatically shut off the light if it gets too hot. This prevents overheating and potential fire hazards. In contrast, remodel cans usually have a single-walled housing without an air gap. This allows heat to easily transfer to the surrounding insulation, leading to heat buildup and condensation. The junction box is also typically not sealed, which can allow moisture to enter and corrode the electrical connections. To further illustrate the limitations of alternative solutions, consider the specific scenarios in which they might fall short. Chicken wire, while seemingly helpful, merely creates a physical barrier between the insulation and the light fixture. It doesn't address the core issue of heat generation. The heat still accumulates within the can, potentially leading to condensation on the interior surfaces. Similarly, an attic fan, even an automatic one, relies on air circulation to reduce moisture levels. If the light fixtures are already generating excessive heat, the fan may not be able to effectively remove the moisture before it condenses. In addition, the effectiveness of an attic fan depends on various factors, such as the size of the attic, the number of vents, and the climate. In some cases, a fan may not be sufficient to completely eliminate condensation. Therefore, the most reliable and permanent solution is to replace the remodel cans with insulation contact rated units. This approach directly addresses the root cause of the problem by preventing heat buildup and ensuring that the light fixtures are properly insulated. When selecting insulation contact rated can lights, consider the following factors. Firstly, choose the appropriate size and type for your specific application. The size of the fixture should match the existing opening in the ceiling. The type of fixture will depend on the type of light bulb you want to use. Secondly, ensure that the insulation contact rated kill lights are certified by a recognized testing laboratory such as Underwriters Laboratories or Intertek. This certification ensures that the fixtures have been tested and meet safety standards. Thirdly, install the insulation contact rated can lights according to the manufacturer's instructions. This will ensure that the fixtures are properly installed and that they function safely. In addition to replacing the remodel cans, consider the overall insulation and ventilation of your attic. Proper insulation and ventilation can help to reduce moisture levels and prevent condensation throughout the attic. Inspect your attic insulation to ensure that it is evenly distributed and that there are no gaps or voids. Add additional insulation if necessary to achieve the recommended insulation level for your climate. Also, inspect your attic vents to ensure that they are not blocked by insulation or debris. Clear any obstructions to allow for proper airflow. Furthermore, consider installing a vapor barrier in your ceiling to prevent moisture from entering the attic from the living space below. A vapor barrier is a thin layer of plastic or foil that is installed between the ceiling drywall and the insulation. It helps to prevent moisture from migrating into the attic and condensing on cold surfaces. In conclusion, replacing remodel cans with insulation contact-rated units is the most effective way to prevent condensation issues in ceilings with attic space above. This approach directly addresses the root cause of the problem by preventing heat buildup and ensuring that the light fixtures are properly insulated. While alternative solutions may provide some temporary relief, they do not address the underlying issue. By taking the necessary steps to replace the remodel cans and improve the overall insulation and ventilation of your attic, you can prevent condensation issues and protect your home from water damage. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work to ensure safety and compliance with local building codes. When addressing condensation issues related to recessed lighting, it's essential to consider not only the type of fixture but also the specific environmental conditions within the attic space. Factors such as attic ventilation, insulation levels, and local climate can all contribute to the problem. While replacing remodel cans with insulation contact-rated units is generally the most effective solution, it's crucial to assess the overall situation to determine if additional measures are necessary. For instance, if the attic has inadequate ventilation, replacing the light fixtures alone might not completely eliminate condensation. In such cases, improving ventilation by adding more vents or installing an attic fan can help to reduce moisture levels and prevent condensation from forming. Similarly, if the attic insulation is insufficient, replacing the light fixtures might not be enough to prevent heat loss and condensation. Adding more insulation can help to keep the attic warmer and reduce the likelihood of condensation. Furthermore, the local climate can play a significant role in condensation issues. In areas with high humidity, condensation is more likely to occur, especially during colder months. In such cases, taking additional measures to control humidity levels, such as using a dehumidifier, can help to prevent condensation. When evaluating the existing conditions in your attic, pay close attention to the following factors. Firstly, check the ventilation to ensure that there is adequate airflow. Look for vents near the eaves and the ridge of the roof. Make sure that these vents are not blocked by insulation or debris. Secondly, inspect the insulation to ensure that it is evenly distributed and that there are no gaps or voids. The insulation should be at least as thick as the recommended level for your climate. Thirdly, check for any signs of moisture, such as water stains, mold, or mildew. These signs can indicate that there is a condensation problem. If you identify any of these issues, take steps to address them promptly. Improving ventilation, adding insulation, and controlling humidity levels can all help to prevent condensation and protect your home from water damage. In addition to addressing the environmental conditions in your attic, it's also important to consider the type of light bulbs that you are using in your recessed lighting fixtures. Incandescent light bulbs generate a significant amount of heat, which can contribute to condensation problems. Switching to light-emitting diode light bulbs can help to reduce heat generation and prevent condensation. Light-emitting diode light bulbs are much more energy efficient than incandescent light bulbs and produce significantly less heat. They also last much longer, which can save you money on replacement costs. When selecting light-emitting diode light bulbs for your recessed lighting fixtures, choose bulbs that are specifically designed for enclosed fixtures. These bulbs are designed to withstand the heat that can build up inside enclosed fixtures and will not overheat or fail prematurely. Furthermore, when installing insulation contact-rated lights, be sure to follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully. This will ensure that the fixtures are properly installed and that they function safely. It's also important to use the correct type of wiring and connectors for the installation. Use wiring and connectors that are rated for the temperature and voltage of the circuit. In addition to addressing condensation issues, it's also important to maintain your recessed lighting fixtures properly. Regularly inspect the fixtures for any signs of damage, such as cracks, loose wires, or corroded connections. Repair any damage promptly to prevent further problems. Also, clean the fixtures regularly to remove dust and debris. This will help to improve the performance of the fixtures and prevent overheating. When cleaning the fixtures, be sure to turn off the power to the circuit breaker before you begin. This will prevent electric shock. In conclusion, addressing condensation issues related to recessed lighting requires a comprehensive approach. This includes replacing remodel cans with insulation contact-rated units, improving attic ventilation and insulation, controlling humidity levels, using light-emitting diode light bulbs, and maintaining the fixtures properly. By taking these steps, you can prevent condensation and protect your home from water damage. Remember to always consult with a qualified electrician for any electrical work to ensure safety and compliance with local building codes.